Hi, Alex. You like oranges? Not the peel, just the fruit. Yummy? Not the peel. Yummy. Okay, I think that's all good. Another one? Wow, I think you like oranges. Wait. No, not everything, Alex. There you go. Wow. My goodness. Somewhere? I'll wash your hands later. Is it yummy? Yeah, I think so. Hmm. Wow, oh my goodness. I think you're full already. Look at that tummy. Oh my goodness. No. One at a time. This is not done yet. Masyado ka naman na-excite. Yum. Aray ko. Aray. That's Nana's fingers. Could be yummy, but not edible. Yum, yum. Good job. I think this is all done.
No.
Yeah. Baka maubos mo isang orange, Alex, ah. Look at your face. No, put it down, baby. Put it down, please. Thank you. Oh, hold mo na yung orange mo. Daya naman eh. May tagahawak. Nakain mo kasi yung balat eh. Yun ang hirap eh. Yum, yum. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Papa.